In this segment of the Ellis Market Report and Money Talk Radio, we speak with Roger Rosmus, the CEO of Goliath Resources, trading as GOT on the TSX Venture Exchange, and in the U.S. on the OTCQB as GOTRF. Goliath Resources is a junior resource exploration company of precious metal projects in the prolific Golden Triangle and northwestern areas of British Columbia. The company is on track with a new discovery of a large, high-grade gold system at its Gold Digger property that was never drilled before in the Golden Triangle of BC. It remains open. The Surebet discovery was never explored or drilled before due to a previous glacier and permanent snowpack covering it. The project is located in a world-class geological setting and mining-friendly jurisdiction. The Gold Digger property sits on tidewater and has excellent infrastructure with a permitted mill site in Kitsault nearby. Significant shareholders include Crescat Capital, Eric Sprott, Rob McEwen, and a global commodity group based in Singapore. The newly discovered Surebet is a structurally controlled series of 10 high-grade gold veins, shears, with superior continuity and predictability hosted within the Hazelton sediments and volcanics over a 1.8 square kilometer area. It has 2.1 kilometers of exposed mineralization at surface. Mr. Rosmus has over 25 years of investment banking experience in the public and private sector. He has acted as lead on over 30 M&A transactions, and through his previously owned exempt market dealer firm, completed many financings. Roger, welcome back to the program. It's been a while. Good to see you again.
Well, it's always a pleasure. Thank you.
You keep delivering results at the Gold Digger property. We're talking a third of an ounce, almost 2/3 of an ounce of gold. You can hardly go wrong. You still have about 84 holes yet pending from the 2025 season. Am I right?
Yeah, that's correct. We actually ended up drilling 110 holes, which equates to around 64,300 and change meters in total, of which, again, we announced obviously the headline hole here, but there's 3 additional holes attached to this news release that could have easily been headliner holes as well. So we're demonstrating continuity, mineable widths, mineable grades, and then obviously with the fact we still have 84 to come. So we have a massive pipeline of news flow, of which these 84 holes, 66 of them, so call it around 80%, contain visible gold to the naked eye. Logic would suggest that we should be hopefully delivering similar type results right through to the end of the year and possibly into January.
How does that become a mine eventually in BC? I'm just asking a dumb question because with all that visible gold, can't you just drive a pickup truck up to it and fill it up?
I guess you wanted to high grade it for sure. But yeah, no, we just need to continue drilling out the system, increasing the confidence level that the various loads, because again, just a reminder for the audience here, we have 12 stacked veins, kind of like a layer cake, and then that's actually 1.2 kilometers. So for some of the US folks, that's about 3 Empire State Buildings stacked on top of each other. And then the total area itself is 1.8 square kilometers. Referencing New York again, that's greater than half the size of Central Park, Manhattan City.
Wow, that's certainly a lot of ground there. The environment right now is extremely good for gold. We've had just a hair of a pullback, but that's to be expected when the commodity itself has been so parabolic. And with regard to your market, you're looking pretty strong, actually.
Yeah, no, obviously we had a bit of a retrace here as well, but again, fundamentally, yeah, the fundamentals haven't changed. It's still a difficult market out there with, certainly with the fiat currencies. They keep on printing money. The debt rises. The debt servicing is rising, even with interest rate cuts, et cetera, et cetera. A little pullback here, a little consolidation for the next leg up. So I think we're very well positioned. And might I add, we are fully funded for next year's aggressive drill program that we have planned. So with all this great news, we hope in the pipeline that there is no finance kind of overhang or risk. And in addition to that, we own about $25 million Canadian worth of McEwen Inc. stock. So we actually did a private placement with McEwen Inc. I guess about 8 months ago. It was $11.50 Canadian. So instead of taking McEwen Inc., their money, $10 million, we took $10 million worth of their stock, the MUX, which trades obviously New York Stock Exchange and the TSX. And that stock is now worth, call it close to $25 million for us. With that, we just closed this financing with Stifel and CIBC for another $26.3 million with the cash we have in the treasury, plus warrants that I would expect to be exercised this year. We're going into 2026 with roughly kind of like north of $55 million Canadian. So we're very well positioned. So lots of news flow to be expected, probably cadence of assays every 2 to 3 weeks. Again, this past Monday, October 27th, we had 4 holes. So we'll see batches of kind of 4 to 10 at a time. Again, going right through probably into the new year. It's a good thing, obviously, for us in the resource exploration side of things. As everyone knows, these assay results are really the lifeblood of these stories.
Down the road within 2 years, are you a takeout candidate or are you going to think about building a mine?
You know what? When we get there, we'll make that decision. Certainly, we have optionality, put it that way.
If you're considering getting into the equities and you haven't done so yet with regard to the gold sector and an amazing junior mining company, I urge you, audience, to take a look at Goliath Resources. Roger, thanks so much for joining me today on the program. I look forward to another update as soon as you can provide it.
Thanks, Ellis. I look forward to it as well. Cheers.
I've been speaking with Roger Rosmus, the CEO of Goliath Resources, trading as GOT on the TSX Venture Exchange and in the U.S. on the OTCQB as GOTRF. Go to the company's website, GoliathResourcesLTD.com. For Money Talk Radio, I'm Ellis Martin. Get a free subscription to the Ellis Martin Report. Go to ellis.gold.